Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is another great solution from my good friend Norm and the gang at Specialties in Toronto. This is a piece they did the finishing for. This is a matrix piece, and so this is actually about a product called Curl Life, and it's for people with curly hair. That's an important component here because conceptually it'll make sense. Okay, so there's a curved die cut on the cover. This is actually a stitched booklet, by the way, brochure, but I want you to see the first spread because I think this concept could be applied to brochures or stitched booklets. Okay, so it opens up, as I said, this is for curls, and there's a spiral curl that jumps across the spread and attaches, so the center of the spiral attaches to the inside front cover, but it originates on the facing page, or text page 1 in this instance. So in this brochure, think of this as an accordion folded signature. So the other part of it's over here and it goes doot, 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 and the panel folds in and glues, and then the die cut comes out of it. But you could totally do this as with a trifold. So let's think of this as a trifold since we're just focusing on this. Panel here, folds in, glues around the perimeter, and then there's a die cut in here. And that die cut, in this case, swirls, and then dot of glue on the top that then close and attach to this inside front cover. And then you get this really cool dimensional experience. And what I really like too is that they've got this spiral message over here that's revealed when this die cut is lifted off of it. So you can just see this in lots of different creative designs and concepts. So, but I think this is so fun and visual and dimensional. So you need a little bit of structure here. This is probably 80 cover. That's what it feels like, coated sheet. Really, really nice. And I'm sure, knowing Specialties, that they found an amazing way to do this by machine and make it nice and quick and efficient. But I love this. I think there's lots of cool ways to interpret this concept. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Creative brochure with spiral dimensional die cut. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. If yours, please send me your folds of A's and I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.